I enjoy sharing case studies about organizations which use best practices, especially those about my own clients. Here's an interesting case study of how one industry leader has turned values into effective management tools. Values are the basic principles that guide daily behaviors. They're potentially powerful tools, but they are not always given the attention they deserve because they seem soft. If you've seen the classic McKinsey Company's 7S management framework, you'll notice that this leading consulting firm places shared values at the very center of all other components. That's a clue to their importance. Blizzard Entertainment was started by 3 UCLA computer graduates who loved computer games. Today, Blizzard has over 4,000 employees and more than 10 million passionate customers in their worldwide online gaming community. Blizzard operates a 24/7 global infrastructure which can support millions of people simultaneously playing several different games in multiple languages. Several years ago, Blizzard invited me to facilitate a strategic planning session for the top management team, during which we developed their first ever mission statement and set of values. 8 core values emerged, along with explanations of the thinking behind them. Gameplay first. Success is based on the quality of the player's experience when playing Blizzard games. The goal of each discipline in the company, be it art, programming, or computer support, is to make the games as fun as possible for as many people as they can reach. Commit to quality. This means being honest and using feedback to improve the quality of their work, even if it takes longer. At the end of the day, most players won't remember whether the game was late, only whether it was great. Play nice, play fair. This means maintaining a high level of respect and integrity in all interactions with players, colleagues, and business partners. This recognizes that the conduct of each employee, whether offline or online, can affect the entire company. Embrace your inner geek. Everyone there is a geek at heart, enthusiastic about cutting-edge technology, science fiction, comic books, and adventure. Whatever it is they're passionate about, employees are free to embrace it by how they dress and decorate their workspace with character art and action figures. That enthusiasm helps shape a fun, creative culture. Every voice matters. Because great ideas can come from anywhere, every member is encouraged to speak up, listen, respect other opinions, and embrace criticism as a source of great ideas. Think globally. Everywhere on the planet there are people who play Blizzard Entertainment games. Thinking globally means respecting cultural diversity while seeking out the most passionate, talented people in the world to enrich the company and forge the future vision. Lead responsibly. They recognize that their products and practices affect not only employees and players, but the industry at large. And as an industry leader, this means being committed to making ethical decisions and setting a strong example of professionalism and excellence at all times. Learn and grow. The games industry is always changing. The technologies, techniques, and design philosophies quickly become outdated. This emphasizes both individual and company responsibility for people to teach one another and cultivate the desire to be the very best. Everyone was proud of what we accomplished during the workshop, but what impressed me the most was what happened afterwards. Blizzard puts their values at the center of the company, literally. Standing proudly in the corporate campus, Central Courtyard is a 12-foot-high bronze statue of game characters well known by employees and customers alike. Surrounding this statue is a giant compass, and at each of the 8 compass points, one of their core values is engraved in a bronze plaque set into the ground. These values are actively used in employee conversations, decisions, and behavior. When a potential job applicant is interviewed at Blizzard, they are asked which values really stand out for them and why. No wonder, they're a leader in their industry. They make values a visible and central part of their corporate culture, and so can you. Now you can benefit from my expertise by watching my free, content-rich video training series. To get started today, simply go to strategicplanningacademy.com, sign in, and you'll receive these videos packed with solid information to help you think bigger, Plan smarter, act faster, and get great results. Go there now, and I'll see you soon.